Are you stuck when it comes to finding a mentor and having somebody there to help guide you, hold you accountable to reaching your goals, help you get to where they are? Well, I've got the solution for you if you want to find a mentor or you want to be better at having a group of people to hold you accountable to achieving your goals. Stick with me. I'm going to give you the blueprint to how you can do exactly that. What's going on, everybody? Henry Washington here. And if you've been following along in this series, you know I've been breaking down for you all the different ways that you can start preparing yourself now to have huge success in 2023 buying property. So if you want to check out any of those videos, you can click the link in the description and you can go see the previous videos. And as always, if you love this content, make sure you give us some likes, subscribe to the channel so we can keep giving you amazing content like this. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at the Henry Washington on Instagram. Finding a mentor to help you in your real estate investing journey can almost be as daunting of a task as just investing in real estate. So let's have some real talk about mentors and accountability. If you want a good mentor, you're going to have to be able to provide value. If you're not providing value to somebody who you're looking for information from, why would they spend the time giving you that value? So if you're looking for a mentor, you're going to have to do one of two things. You're either going to have to pay someone who is saying, hey, I'm a mentor and I'll help you. It's just going to cost you money. Or you're going to have to attract your mentor to you by providing value of some scale. I remember my first mentor. He'd probably tell you he was never my mentor, and that's fine. That's okay. It doesn't have to be some super defined relationship. The reason that I learned from him is because I brought him value. I figured out the thing that he needed, which was deal flow. I provided or showed him that I was hunting for deals and would be willing to give him first crack at those deals. And in exchange, he showed me the things which he was good at. He was great at estimating rehab costs. He was great at understanding what it was going to take to fix a property. He was also good at negotiations. And so I was able to learn from him the things that I didn't know by bringing him deals and giving him first shot at those deals, which was value to him. I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can start implementing right now to attract your ideal mentor to you. Number 1, go to your real estate investor meetups. And when you see people doing deals, you want to strike up a conversation with these people. Make sure that you go up and you introduce yourself with confidence. You want to have a casual conversation, but you want it to be around their success. You want to get them talking about things that they're doing well. This is beneficial to you because people love talking about themselves. You're naturally going to be building rapport if you can get someone talking about themselves and striking up a conversation. The other thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to be learning. When they're talking about where they're buying deals, what they're buying those deals for, how much they're putting into them, what they're selling them for, what they're renting them for, this is all valuable information to you as a new investor, and it's going to help you understand their criteria. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look for 2 other people. We already know you're looking for a mentor, but you also need to look for someone who is not where you are yet. So you're a little ahead of them, right? And the idea is that you need to provide the thing that you're looking for from others. So if you can find someone who's not where you are yet, and then offer to mentor them or be of service to them to help them to grow a little bit, then other people will see this. Other successful investors will see this. They'll see that you are willing to help and they will be more willing to help you. And in this world, you get what you give. If you want something, the best way to get that thing is to freely give it. So give your help to others and it will be more likely that help will be given to you. The second person I want you to look for is someone who's about where you are right now. You guys are at a similar place in your journey. This is someone you want to network with and become accountability partners with, right? If you can set up an accountability partnership, then it can help you guys grow. And it's also showing others that you're willing to help yourself. And it doesn't have to be something super formal. You can just say, hey, let's set some goals of what we want to accomplish in the next 6 months or year. And then let's meet once a week on a phone call for an hour and talk through what we did this week that moved us closer to our goals. And then you hold each other accountable to continually doing that. So when you hop on the call, every week, you know, you've got somebody who's going to say, hey, last week you said you were going to do A, B, and C. Did you do A, B, and C? And if you didn't do A, B, and C, then they're going to ask you, well, why didn't you do A, B, and C? The idea is when someone's holding you accountable and asking you why you didn't hit a weekly goal, there's typically a reason. And when you start having a conversation around why you didn't hit them, it helps you get to the bottom of what caused you not to hit your goals. And that in turn helps you improve your business. What do you think about these methods so far? Do you have a mentor? If so, how'd you find your mentor? Let us know in the comments below. You may be able to help somebody who is out there actively looking for a mentor get closer to finding that person. Look, I know what you're thinking. This video probably isn't exactly what you thought it was going to be, and that's okay because it's probably exactly what you need to hear. There's no magic pill for getting somebody to want to be your mentor. The truth of the matter is, if you want a mentor, you're going to have to either pay them for their time or you're going to have to attract them to you. You have to provide value if you truly want a mentor to be of service to you. The good news is that if you're taking these steps along the way to you attracting that mentor to you, you'll also be moving your business forward in the meantime. So that way, by the time you find your mentor, you should have some success or some progress towards your goals already. And so you're not in the same place that you were when you originally started looking for a mentor. And you will have built some solid relationships with other investors that you can at least ask questions of who are in the same realm of where you are. And so not only are you finding a mentor, but you're moving your business forward. So I hope all this was helpful for you. If so, we really want you to give us a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. We want to keep giving you great value. We want to help you be successful in 2023. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at the Henry Washington on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you at the closing table.